My name is Brother Solomon, and I'm the brand ambassador, the Prince Builders and Estate Developers Limited. Hooray! We, the Prince Builders, are celebrating our 13 years anniversary. So when you buy property from any of our estates, ensure to collect your raffle ticket to stand the chance to win amazing prizes like cow, bags of rice, lands, and lots more. Don't forget that when you buy 10 plots, you get one free. And when you bring 10 persons, you also get one plot of land free. The grand finale of this raffle draw is on the 19th of December 2020 at Comfort Event Center at Desua, GRA, Benin City. Throughout this festive period, we are giving out 5% discount to all our customers for any property you buy from us, either in phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, or phase 5. Don't forget, 5% discount to all our customers. Make a rush go collect my own before I hear say, you know this man.